Hey guys, before this video begins, you know exactly what I'm about to say. We are having another major giveaway on the 26th of December. Only difference is this time two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each. Yes, you heard that right. Two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each on the 26th of December on Christmas Day. So if you're interested, you know exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you comment something, hit that like and that subscribe button. Something worthwhile, something meaningful, something that can capture somebody's eye, and you might be the lucky person walking away over 2,000 rand in their bank account on Christmas Day. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 900 rand every month doing a specific thing that I am very excited to show you guys. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. First thing that you need to do, you need to go on a website called Hireson, and this is a online work from home opportunity website that will definitely guarantee you money in your pocket. As it says here, free registration, timely payment, 24/7 online support, and it also offers global exposure. So let's go down and read what this website is about. This is just an ad, do not worry about that. So you can do typing jobs, earn $4 to $6 per page, up to 2,000 words, online and offline typing assignments which you can execute on MS Word or any equivalent software. So if you're somebody who loves typing, that will definitely be the one for you. Then there's proofreading jobs where you can earn $5 to $10 per page, editing MS Word files, and after that you can check for spelling errors and grammatical errors. So it's pretty much all about your grammar level, and you can earn up to $5 to $10 per page you complete. Then there is my personal favorite, paid survey jobs, where you can earn $5 to $50 per survey. Input your opinion about various products and services that you use and earn money online. I can say that $50 is a lot of money that you can get for a survey, but the more money the survey puts out, the longer the survey that you need to do. Then there's also graphic designing jobs where you can earn $15 to $40 per assignment, designing CorelDRAW and Photoshop graphics and exporting them to various file format. Now I do not really understand what that means, but if you do, then that is definitely the thing for you. Then there is PowerPoint presentation jobs. You can also do that. So PowerPoint presentation jobs is pretty much a job where you pretty much complete presentations and slides. As it says here, earn $3 per PPT slide, preparing PowerPoint slides and adding proper animation and sound effects. There are multiple jobs that you can do here, like spreadsheet entry jobs where you can only earn 0.2 to 0.4 per cell, preparation and modification of pivot tablets in MX XL format and accuracy demanded. So there is a lot of jobs that you can do, guys. Even voice recognition jobs where you can earn $15 to $40 per assignment, conversion of medical prescription slips into textual and audio format. The other thing is online advertisements where you can earn 0.5 per ad posted, and there's just a lot of different jobs that the website provides. So just follow the link that I'm going to leave in the description, and you can definitely, you have a variety of jobs that you can choose from. So make sure that you follow my instructions and you will be okay. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button if you made it to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Peace.